How to add or change passcode in iPhone iOS 18.5. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option Face ID and Passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. Or in case you haven't set it up, you can easily get access to this page. Once you're in this page, scroll down. Over here, you're going to find the option Change Passcode or Turn off Passcode. In order to change the passcode, you can click on the option Change Passcode, or in case you want to add it, you can click on the option Add Passcode. Your Face ID will be enabled. Then you'll be prompted to enter passcode for your device. Type in 6-digit number, confirm it, and click on Done. With that, your passcode for your device will be updated. So this way you can easily add or change passcode in iPhone iOS 18.5. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.